In this video tutorial, we will be learning how we can troubleshoot the Wi-Fi limited access problem on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, we need to first open a control panel window. So please make a right click here, or just please make a click in the Windows search tab and then type control, and you will get under best match the control panel option. So please make a click on that to open. Now we need to go to this hardware and sound option. So please make a click on that. And by the way, if you're not getting the same kind of window, all you need to do is just to click on this view by option and select the category 1. Now proceed with hardware and sound and select the power options. So in this window, all you need to do is just to select the ultimate performance or high performance, or you can also have the balanced performance. So I mean balance option. So once you're done selecting the plan, all you need to do is just to close this window, and then we will proceed with the device manager. So please make a right click with the Windows icon, and there we need to look for device manager option. Now here, all we need to do is just to go to the network adapter, this one, and we need to adjust the power management option. So please make a right click here in the Windows in the wireless LAN card option or any wireless option there, and then please make a right click on that, select the properties option, and once you get this kind of window, please go to the power management tab. So if you're seeing power management tab, then you need to prevent automatic power off. We need to adjust the power management. So please make sure that the option that says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. Now, once it is already unchecked, just leave it be. And once you're done with this one, just close this window. And the next thing we need to do is to update the network driver. So here we need to click on the update driver option. So please make a right click on this option here, wireless option, and select the update driver. And then we need to click on this search automatically for drivers option if you're selected or if you're connected with an internet. And once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you're good to go. Go back now to the previous page and select the browse my computer for drivers if you're not connected with an internet connection. So once you do that, you will get this kind of window. Just proceed with let me pick from a list, and this time we need to click on the or select the device driver that you want to install to this device. Now if you have already installed the latest driver and you're facing some issues, then proceed with the older or later version, and then select on the next button, and it will start installing for the driver. And just wait for the notification that says the Windows has successfully updated your driver. Once you're done with this one, just close this window, and the next thing we need to do is to network troubleshoot. So we need to verify network adapter settings and properties. Now we need to also reset Wi-Fi settings if needed. So after doing the resetting of the Wi-Fi settings, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with the device. So this is only an optional method or process. So we need to troubleshoot first the network. All you need to do is just to make a right click on the Wi-Fi icon or globe icon there, and then click on this diagnose network problems. So it will detect and diagnose what the problem is, and it will automatically troubleshoot and fix it for you. So once you're done with this one, it will reset the Wi-Fi settings, and after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device to apply the changes, and after the restart, just test if the issue is resolved after the reboot. Okay, so if you learned something from this video and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.